Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to give you an intro to decorators in Python. So a decorator in Python is a higher order function that takes in a function and can modify the functionality without changing the actual function's code. Okay, so to do that, let's start with an example and we'll call it extended underscore greeting. So I'm just creating a regular function here, and it's going to take in a function. We'll call that fn. And then inside this function, we have this. So inside this extended greeting function, we're going to have a function that wraps around the other function. And the default name that they usually give is wrapper, if I can type correctly here. And I'm going to start off by not taking anything in. Okay, and then I'll show you an example of how you can pass arguments and keyword arguments into it and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print something like hello, and then we'll go down a line and we'll run the function that we pass in, and then we'll print something like goodbye. Okay, so a basic example here. At the end of this, what we want to do is we want to return the wrapper. Okay. All right, so now let's create another function, something like say hi. And it's not going to take anything in. It's just going to print, hi, my name is Tim. Okay. And what we can do here is we can call this say hi function, and it should just print hi, my name is Tim, right? So if we run it, we got hi, my name is Tim. Okay. Now, if we use this syntax that we can use with decorators, so I can say at extended greeting. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to pass in the say hi function into the extended greeting. It's going to print hello, then hi, my name is Tim, and then goodbye. And all I have to do is call the say hi function. All right, so let's do that. And we see we got hello, hi, my name is Tim, goodbye. Okay, so you see how it passed in the function just by adding that at extended greeting, at the name of the decorator there. Okay, but this say hi function is kind of a little weak. Let's say we wanted to pass in a name variable, right? And maybe we change this to an F string here, and instead of just automatically saying Tim, we're gonna say whatever the name is we pass in. Well, we have to have a way to do that up in function here. So in the wrapper, I'm going to put in name, and I'm also going to put in name here. Okay, and then down here, I have to pass in a name. So let's pass in Billy this time. Okay, so we should get hello, hi, my name is Billy, goodbye. So let's run it, and we go hello, hi, my name is Billy, goodbye. But let's say we want to pass in more than one argument into this wrapper function. Well, what we can do, and this is the default here, is we can do, instead of name, we can type in star args for any number of regular arguments, and then star star quargs for any number of keyword arguments. Okay, so I could change this to passing a name, age, and something else like height. Okay, so hi, my name is name. I am age years old, and my height is height inches. Kind of a weird greeting when you just come up and meet someone, but who knows? Okay, so let's pass in Billy. Okay, and then let's pass in for an age. Let's do 40, and let's do a height of 72, so 6 feet tall. Okay, so now we should go, hello, hi, my name is Billy. I'm 40 years old and my height is 72 inches. All right, so let's run it. And we got, hello, hi, my name is Billy. I'm 40 years old and my height is 72 inches. Okay, that's pretty good. What we can do also is we can pass in keyword arguments. So I could say, I could do something like height equals, let's say we're really tall, 75. okay? And that's still going to work because we have the star star quarks, okay? Um, so if I run that, I go, hi, my name is Billy. I am 40 years old and my height is 75 inches. And to just demonstrate that I can pass that in, let's do print and we'll do quarks and we'll pass in height, okay? And so it should print that again. So let's run it. And so you see here, we say, hello, hi, my name is Billy. I'm 40 years old and my height is 75 inches. So I could do something with the keyword arguments that are being passed in, okay? Another thing we may want to do is we may want to get information about the function. So let's create a doc string and say, I'm the wrapper function here. And we'll create one down here and we'll say, I'm the say hi function. Okay. Now, if I do, let's see, like if I go here and I print say hi dot underscore name, well, you'll see something. So let's run it and we get wrapper, okay? So we're getting the wrapper function, but if we want to get the actual name of the function that's been passed into the wrapper, we can go up here and we can actually do something. Oops. We can import here from functools. We can say from functools import wraps, okay? And then we can actually wrap, well, we can put the at wraps right before the wrapper, right? And then we'll pass in the function to at wraps. And then here, what we want to do is we're going to want to return the function down at the bottom here. And we'll do star star quarks, okay? And now when we do say hi dot underscore name and run it, we get the say hi function, okay? And we can also do something like print say hi dot underscore doc here, and we run that. We got I'm the say hi function. If we don't have this wraps here, so let's just comment that out. Comment that out. Now if we run it, we've got wrapper on the wrapper function, okay? So if we want to maintain the information from the function being passed in, we want to use this at wraps here and return the function here. And there we go. We got, the name of the function is say hi, and the doc string is I'm the say hi function. So it's getting that from down here. Anyways, this was a little bit of intro. Hopefully I didn't throw too much at you. Hopefully you got something from it. If you did, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.